Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy A56, the 3 easiest way to take a screenshot. Okay, first, short press power and volume down to capture the screen. Swipe left on the edge panel, handle to open it and press on take screenshot. Swipe down twice to access quick panel and tap on take screenshot. Every time we take a screenshot, the screen will flash indicating that the screenshot has been captured. I show you how to customize the edge panel so that the task panel to appear to have access to take screenshot shortcut in the settings menu. Scroll down and tap on display, tap on edge panel, tap on panels, tap on the task panel to select it and press edit to make sure take screenshot is in taskbar. If not, you will need to add it. Open the task edge panel by swiping left on the edge panel and tap on take screenshot. I will show you how to add the take screenshot icon to the quick panel. Press on pencil icon, then press on edit. Search for take screenshot icon on the bottom window and tap on it. The icon will move to upper window and press done to save the change. I will swipe down to access the quick panel and tap on take screenshot. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.